Hi, in this video today I'm going to show you how you can use your JBL Xtreme 3 as a power bank. So obviously this is a waterproof Bluetooth speaker, but if you open this one up here, we will have a USB-A port and a USB-C port. When you're charging, this no longer becomes waterproof when you have this undone. If we zoom in, you can see that the USB-A is 5 volts at 2 amps max, and the USB-C is 5 volts at 1.5 amps max. So you won't be able to fast charge from these, but they're good to use in an emergency. So when you're listening to your speaker, so we'll turn it on. If you want to use it as a power bank, let's try it first of all with the USB-A. Plug it into our phone, and you will see that it will start charging, like so. And if you want to use the USB-C, plug that into the middle, and again you can see it's now charging. But what's interesting is if this was completely off and you plug it in, it doesn't appear to charge. You have to turn it on in order to make it charge. But yet if I turn it off now, it appears in the little bit of testing that I've done that it will keep charging. So right now we're still charging even though it is off. So it's a nice little feature that they've done, because when you're listening to music via Bluetooth on your phone, you can also be charging it at the same time. Thanks for watching.